In this video, we'll learn the vocabulary for Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. The first sign is the agent, as it is officially called, also referred to as the as in teach work with the exceptions of things like cook or student, a learner. Student. Cook. Teacher. Not. This would show a negative. Not. Chapter 2. Excuse me. Goodbye or goodbye. Good luck. Luck yourself is actually the sign. Good morning. Good morning. Hi or hello or hi. How are you? I love you. I love you. I love you. Fine. Or you could say, I'm fine. Fine. Sorry. Or I'm sorry. Sorry. My name. My name. Please. Or you could say it was a pleasure. It was enjoyable. The sign thank you or thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Welcome or you're welcome. Either way. Sign because. Because. Generally in ASL, you will use why for the word because. Because can or possible, could, able, or ability. Can, could. Can't. The idea of it's impossible, you're unable, can't. The sign how has many variations. How, like how are you, with two hands going forward. How, like how does that work? Usually used in a WH question. How, how. How many is one sign. How many? Maybe, may, probably, perhaps, or possibly. The sign me too. This is the sign same or like or also. Or if you're referring to the person you're talking to, me too, same as me, going forward. Or alike. Must. Have to. Should. The sign need. Need. Sometimes you'll see it with the mouth morpheme. Need. Need. There's no or not, do not, don't, doesn't, didn't, or isn't. Say, This can also be speak, mention, tell, remark, or speech. Or sometimes you'll see say. What did he say? I said. Or tell. I told you. I told her. He told me. You told me. Than. Like more than. What. You'll also see the more English what and what, the lexicalized version. W-H-A-T. What. And then you can use happened for what happened. Happened. What happened? If you were to ask what time is it? Time. What time is it? What time? Time. When. Where. Which, as in which one. Which. Who. Or you may see the older who, but who is the one that you'll sign. There's many versions of why as well. Why, or because. Why. I generally use why. Yes, or the lexicalized yes. Why, yes. Above or over. More above or over. You could do above. So above or over. Across or cross, or to go across, to go over. At is a very English sign that you probably won't be using very much, but you may see people who sign in the more English spectrum signing at. Behind. Below, or beneath, or under, or bottom. By, or near, close to, or adjacent. Down, just pointing, down. During, while, or in the meantime. For, or you'll see for, which means what, or what for. From, in, you'll see the lexicalized off. It's off. Turn it off. O-F-F. Or you'll see on. You'll also see on, off. On, off. To, or toward. To, or toward. With. And, also very English, and. But, however, although, or, just OR, or, lexicalized, either, either, to advise or to give advice or counsel, to influence, 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 to announce or proclaim or declare, to answer, to respond, to reply, or to react, to argue, debate, quarrel, or referring to a controversy, to make a request, or to ask, or to ask a question. I'll ask you a question. You may ask. You can ask me. I'll ask her. She asked him. Or a request. So ask or request. To call or like to summon. To complain or object or protest. To demand, require, insist, you have an obligation, to disagree, contradict, to object, contrary to, discuss, discuss, finger spelling. Finger spelling could also be used as the manual alphabet. To inform or notify, let know. Information is twice. To inform, to information. Interpret. 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 Translate or interpreter. Interpreter. Lip reading or speech reading as it's sometimes called. The sign listen as in listen to that, or listen as in you need to pay attention. Listen, you need to listen to what I'm saying. Listen, a C at your ear. Hear, or to hear. I heard something. Misunderstand. Misunderstand. So a question or question mark. To shout or yell, cry out, scream. Sign or sign language. Or now you'll see signing, signing, sign language, signing. To talk, or you can talk this way. Talk, communicate, conversation, dialogue. Can you talk? This is more speaking, talking. We had a chat. Understand, comprehend, or perceive. The idea of a light bulb going on. Understand.